Hey, what's up guys? RC Hobby Steve here. I finally received my second vehicle from Tower Hobbies. This is the Gen 8 Scout from Redcat Racing. This came out to be $300 on Tower Hobbies, and I got this as a package with my Team Associated Element RC. Sadly, they came 2 separate days, but I'm glad to say that I finally have the truck. Sorry about that. So yeah, I'll probably throw the Savox servo in here, but I don't know yet. The cool thing is it does have a metal servo horn, so that's a plus. The Team Associated truck did not have it, so I had to change that one out. And as you can see, color change. I'm not really going to keep this body. I already decided that, but more details on this truck in another video. You guys will see that on Instagram. Bumpers I'm absolutely going to change out. And then you have licensed and Turco Super Swamper tires. So, like I said, I'm going to test it out as is, but most likely going to get changed out. So I'm going to go ahead and take the truck out of the box. There we go. The cat will most likely go into the box. So this, one thing I do notice is this truck is packaged really, really well. Alright. So we have the truck itself. We have these 2 gears. I don't know what these gears are for. I have to check the manual. Does come with the quick start guide and some extra parts. Let's break this open real quick and see. So we have some extra pieces for your portal axles. So that always comes in handy. You have your manual for your brush collar ESC. You have some extra accessories here. Or not accessories, some like pieces. I guess these are like body posts, I'm assuming. Some wheel caps and some extras, and then your antenna and your bind plug. And of course you have your manual inside here. So I'm just going to toss this back in here. So I don't know if I mentioned yet, but this is my very first Redcat vehicle, so I'm pretty excited. Redcat used to be that kind of company that a lot of people didn't really like because their products weren't that well. They had good stuff, but most of it wasn't that great. But now with the new, I believe, owner, CEO, if I'm not wrong, this company is getting lots of love from lots of people around the world. So, body is held on with Velcro. So, nicely painted on the inside. The plastic feels nice and sturdy and strong. Again, this is a Scout body, so very nicely detailed. It sucks that the windows are blacked out, but you know, I could probably fix that myself. And then inside here we just have some more bubble wrap to protect the truck. The truck is held down. Yeah. Let me get some scissors to cut the zip ties for you guys. There we go. Hey, came with a spare tire too. That's pretty awesome. Nice spare with the B-lock. Feels nicely weighted, which is pretty cool. So, spare tire is sitting there. And then you have your 2.4 gigahertz Redcat transmitter. Do not know how the heck you open this. Oh, there you go. So, there's your standard 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. this truck has some weight to it. Suspension feels nice and smooth. It does come with aluminum links all around. And it does come with a Dean's plug, which is good. So the battery tray looks pretty cool. I already have some ideas of switching it around, but I'm not exactly sure yet. So here's the truck. Like I said, it does have some weight to it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some batteries for the transmitter, toss a battery in here, and see how this thing drives. Alright guys, so I went ahead and just threw a simple 3S battery in there, the battery that I had used for my associated truck. So right off the bat, I can already tell with the body on that I do not like how small the tires look. Like for a truck this big, I feel like the tires should be just a smidge bigger. There's no size on it, but I might throw on some crawlers. So obviously this is a whole lot bigger tire. If not this tire, then I'm possibly going to throw on my KM3s and then throw these tires onto my HPI Venture. But I'm not exactly sure yet. But one, it's a pretty loud truck, that's for sure. But it's pretty cool. Something that I have to get used to. Gonna have to take it out for its first test run right after this video and see how I like it. So far the body is nice and beautiful. I love the blue. Servo's strong enough for now, as I can tell. The portals look good. There's enough clearance here for me to get over the things I'm pretty sure I get over on a daily basis with my other trucks. So I don't think there's going to be an issue with that. But yeah guys, so I'm going to be doing a review video on this as well. That's going to come after the review video of the Associated Electrics Element RC truck. That truck has a super long name. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Nothing extravagant, something simple. So I'm going to go ahead outside, test this baby out, and wish me luck.